When the sun goes down, you know where I'll be, with a case of good time and some John Deere green, kicking sparks to the sky. I'm in my zone every night, spraying on that campfire glue, a campfire cologne. And you know I'm not alone, a campfire cologne. That aroma on my clothes takes me back far, the backyard. We build ourselves a pile and light up a bonfire. We'd have the best times and never even tried. Good friends make good company, you blast every time. We blaze it up and let it burn high, and dance around the flames, joke on one another, calling each other names. We never took it personal, we was brothers and best friends, just living in the moment, felt like it never end. We did some good smoking, a good bit of day drinking, thinking up lies to tell, and hell a river road swinging. I lost track of some of y'all, but now you're on my mind, and this smell on my shirt makes me think about the good times. When the sun goes down, you know where I'll be, with a case of good time and some John Deere green, kicking sparks to the sky. I'm in my zone every night, spraying on that campfire glue, a campfire cologne. And you know I'm not alone, a campfire cologne. Man, that smell on my clothes brings back the good times. We were always in hell. I'd sing songs and make rhymes, and nobody was listening, then it was just y'all on Highway 18 in the yard playing ball, with no flags, no tags, strictly tackle. Then we'd crank a flame, crack a bottle, and laugh like nothing happened. The smell from the pine tree, needles and cones, is like a time machine. When it was just David Jones, we didn't have to be responsible and pay no bills, wasn't thinking about raising babies, negotiating deals. And even though I'm grateful now, I'll never forget the way we grew through the smell of the flames. It makes me reminisce. When the sun goes down, you know